right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my Rimmel London natural bronzer in the color Sundance. Now, I really like this bronzer a lot. It's my favorite. I use it in all of my videos, and I like it because it's waterproof, and I also like it because it gives you that slight bit of contour, if that makes sense. So it gives me like a slight bit of contour, and then on top of that, I don't have to do as much. So I just bronze my face up with this, and then I'm kind of baking. Okay, somebody sent me a message. So I just sculpt my face out really good with that. And don't mind my TV. I'm watching the Bernie Mac show, so. Be back. Now, I'm going to apply my lashes, but before I do that, I just want to let you guys know that this is by Lusso Vitale. Not Lusso Vitale, Lusso Vitale, where she sells lashes, and they go for about maybe $15 to $16 a pop, but it's worth it. And this set is my favorite, and they are Vixen lashes. They really fluffy, and I really like fluffy lashes. So if you guys follow me on Instagram at Pretty Yellow TV, you know that these are my favorite lashes, and I'm always putting these lashes on. If it's not these lashes, it's always the Joanna lashes that she has. So I will leave her information in the description box. It's called Lusso Vitale. Hundreds of lashes, very, very, very nice, and they are just so fluffy and just so pretty. If you guys, this is the final look. I did a really good job. Affordable glam, affordable soft glam is like really my favorite right now. You don't have to do too much, you don't have to do too little, but you still can look like a baddie on a budget. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram at Pretty Yellow TV. Also follow me on TikTok. I just made a TikTok. I got about 10 videos on there. That's also called Pretty Yellow TV. Also, subscribe to my channel and make sure that you guys turn on your post notifications. Again, make sure that you comment below what you want to see, and that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just an affordable soft glam. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit of it was talked through, a little bit of it was sped up, but you know, I'm real like consistent with the videos and everything. And I will put in the description box the information on this hair if you guys are interested. This is the Glam Squad hair extensions, and they are the bomb. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys have a really safe, stay safe, and make sure you have a great Valentine's Day, and put on your mask. And I'm rambling, but yeah. Bye.